Hello everyone. So if you want to enter the no comment mode and know what it's for, so this mode allows you to access the recovery menu where you can reset things, clear the cache, and manually install your updates. Alright, so how do we enter our no command mode? So first of all, we will need two buttons. We will need this power button. It's right here on the side of our screen, at the right side to be exact. And we will need our volume up button. Alright, so first of all, hold your phone, hold your power button and choose power off option. Now give your phone a few seconds to be powered off completely. Alright, so it's turned off. Right now, we are to enter our recovery mode, our no command mode, I'm sorry. So we are to press and hold power button, right this, and your volume up button. So let's do this, hold them simultaneously. Alright, when we got our Me logo, release your power button, but keep on holding your volume up button. Alright, so as you see, we've entered our no command mode. Easy at that. Now, if you want to exit from your no command mode, you are to hold once again your power button. So hold it and press on the volume up button one time. And now you entered your recovery mode. So choose your reboot system now. You can navigate through your recovery mode using the volume down and volume up button. So choose your reboot system now, press power button, and your phone gonna be rebooted in your normal Android mode. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.